going to simplify the proportion of these cakes. We have 4 chocolate and 6 strawberry. In total, there are 4 chocolate, and in total, there are 6 strawberry. So you can see that the ratio before being simplified is 4 to 6. And if we add those two together, we have 10 cakes in total. We need to know how many out of 10 are chocolate and how many out of 10 are strawberry. As you can see, there are 4 chocolate ones out of 10 and 6 strawberry ones out of 10. That's the proportion before being simplified. We can divide 10 by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And again with this one, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 6 divided by 2 is 3. The proportion of chocolate cakes is 2 out of every 5. And the proportion of strawberry is 3 out of every 5. Just so you can see what that looks like, there are 4 chocolate ones altogether out of 10, but in each group there are 2 out of every 5. This one's a similar kind of problem for you to have a go at. 9 blue crayons and 3 red. You need to simplify the proportion. Pause the video, have a go, and press play when you're ready. In total, there are 9 blue crayons and 3 red ones. And if we add those together, we get 12. Out of 12 crayons, 9 are blue and 3 are red. You can probably see that all these numbers can be divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4, so the simplified proportion is going to be out of 4. 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. The proportion of blue is 3 out of 4, and the proportion of red is 1 out of 4. And again, just so that you can see what this is talking about, every time we have 3 blue crayons, there's 1 red one. Sometimes there's more than 2 items for you to compare. Here you're asked to simplify the proportion of white, milk and dark chocolates. If you count, you will see that each of those numbers will divide by 3. We have 9 white chocolates, 12 milk chocolates and 15 dark chocolates. And if we add those together, that's 36. Now there are 2 ways of solving this, and I'm going to show you both ways because although I have a preference, I know from working with older students that some people's brains work in a different way. So here's one method of solving this. Out of 36, how many are white? Well, that's 9, 12 milk and 15 dark chocolate. If we look at the total, 36, and divide it by 3, we have 12. So we can put all of these over 12, and that will give us a simplified proportion. We've divided 36 by 3 to get 12, so we're going to divide each of the numbers on the top, the numerators of each fraction, by 3 as well. And 9 divided by 3 is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So the proportion of white chocolate is 3 out of 12, milk chocolate is 4 out of 12, and dark chocolate is 5 out of 12. Now for children who are good at simplifying fractions, they will probably recognise that 3/12 will simplify further, as will 4/12. But because we're working with the same proportion and we can't do the same with the dark chocolate, we're going to leave them as 12ths, so they're all the same. Here's a different way of solving the same problem. Numbers will divide by 3. If we have 9 divided by 3, that's 3. 12 of the milk chocolate divided by 3 is 4. And 15 of the dark chocolate divided by 3 is 5. Now we just simply add those simplified divided numbers together and we go straight to the 12. I'd have a preference and it's this method, but I know that some people prefer the other method, which is why I'm showing you both. So out of 12, we have 3 of the white chocolate, 4 of the milk chocolate, and 5 of the dark chocolate. And just so that you can see what that looks like, each time we have 3 of the white chocolate, we have 4 of the milk chocolate and 5 of the dark chocolate. This one is for you to have a go at. Again, we have 3 different things that you're comparing. 8 chocolate cakes, 12 strawberry and 16 lemon. And you're going to simplify the proportion. Pause the video, have a go, press play when you're ready for the solution. You may have worked out that each number can be divided by 4. We have 8 chocolate, 12 strawberry, 16 lemon, and add them together, we get 36. We're going to put the proportion there before it's been simplified. And again, 36, this time divided by 4, gives us 9. So we can simplify the denominator, the number at the bottom of the fraction, by using 9, because we've divided 36 by 4. Now we need to divide the numbers on the top, the numerators, by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2, 12 divided by 4 is 3, 16 divided by 4 is 4. And you can see what the proportions are now that they've been simplified. Again, children who are familiar with simplifying fractions will see that the proportion for the strawberry cakes can be simplified to 1/3, but because we're working with other numbers that can't be simplified any further, we're keeping them all as 9ths so that you can see the comparison. Another way of solving this, and again this is my favourite way but not everybody's, see that all the numbers will divide by 4. 8 chocolate, divide it by 4 straight away, gives you 2. 12 strawberry, divide it by 4, gives you 3. 16 lemon, divided by 4, gives you 4. I think that this is just quicker, and then you're straight away working with much smaller numbers, which I always find easier. If we add those together, we have 9 cakes in each group. For every 9 cakes, 2 of them will be chocolate, 3 of them will be strawberry, and 4 of them will be lemon. And so you can see what that looks like. In every line of 9 cakes, 2 of them are chocolate, 3 are strawberry, and 4 of them are lemon.